Hello again. This is lesson 2 about the programming language 8th. Today we are talking about how to use the data stack in 8th. Now, what is a stack? Well, I drew this picture for you. Imagine a vertical round pole fixed to the middle of a round bottom plate. Also, imagine round items that can be put on the stack because those imaginary items have a round hole in it to fit around the pole. So, at first, the stack is empty. You then can put item 1 on the stack by pushing it over the pole until it rests at the bottom plate. When you then push item 2 on the stack in the same way, item 2 is right on top of item 1. And item 3 can then be pushed onto item 2. When you want to remove item 3 in the picture, there's no problem. However, when you want to remove item 2 or item 1, you first have to remove all items on top from the stack before you can do that. So how is the stack used in 8th? The stack is only used to temporarily store individual data items. Therefore, it is often called the data stack. In 8th, we will call all native and all self-defined functions or procedures words. There are quite a lot of words which can manipulate the stack. Now, I'll show you in the 8th REPL what is going on. In the picture you can see already what I'm gonna do, but I'll show it in the REPL itself now. So I'm now in the REPL, just behind the OK prompt, and I'll show you the contents of the data stack at this very moment. There's one word, the .s word, .s, and then I press enter, and what it shows to you is that the stack is empty currently. Okay, so now I want to put a few values on the stack. So I want to put a 1 and a 5 and a 7 on the stack. And now I press enter. Okay, now I again use the .s word to show what's on the stack. And right, it's shown to you that there are 3 items on the stack which have an item index, which is the left column, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 is at the bottom and 3 is at the top of the stack. In the second column you can see that the class of these items is numeric. That's what the n is about. The third column with the large numbers is the memory address at which that item is. In the last column you can see the value of the item, so 1, 5 and 7. Okay, so now what happens when I add another number onto the stack? Well, e.g. the number 9. Okay, 9, enter. Again I'll show the stack contents. Okay, now you see that the new number is now on top of the stack instead of the number 7 before. So you can add things to the stack just by entering them. So is there also a way to clear the stack? Yes, it is. You would just enter the word reset and enter. And when you now show the stack, it is empty. So I hope you understand a little about the stack. In the next lesson I'll show you a few 8th words with which you can alter the stack in some very magic ways. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and please read more information on the 8th website, 8th-dev.com. Thank you.